Hey guys, it's Nadine, and I'm here to share with you all the second part of my video. The first part was called Project Life Tip number 3, making your own QR codes into flares. So, for those of you who don't know what a QR code is, it is a code that is assigned to a web address, and pretty much that web address, it could be a video, it could be a picture set, and you can attach the web address to a more simplified version, so that way you can take your phone, scan it, and it automatically takes you directly to that link instead of having to upload or type in the entire web address link. Alright, so some of you know how to make it, I'm sure, and some of you don't, and I'm the type of person that I want to know if somebody's teaching something, how to do it from beginning to end. And so I figure I teach people the way I would want to be taught, and so this is why I'm coming up with this other part of the video. So anyhow, excuse me, my throat is acting up today. Weirdest thing is, I live in Texas, originally from Hawaii, and I'm allergic to every freaking plant and tree in Texas, and so I have allergies all year round, even though I get allergy shots, which sucks. Okay, that was a little share. So this is my, what is it called? Video manager page, alright? And here are all the videos I've made. And this happens to be one of the videos that I want to share, utilizing my QR code. It's going to go onto my Project Life webpage, and it is a video of a song at the Coldplay concert that we took my kids to. So let me get started and show you all what we need to do. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to click edit on the video that I uploaded, alright? When you do that, on the right side here, right under here, it's going to say video URL, okay? So right now, I'm just going to copy that URL. And then I'm going to open up another tab, and the tab that I'm using happens to be redlaser, and the only reason why I am using redlaser is redlaser.com. actually. I'll put all the descriptions for everything I'm using in the description box below, or the links for in the description box below. Bleh. Can't get my words out this morning. Alrighty, so the reason why I use redlaser.com is because it coincides with the actual redlaser app that I have on my phone. And just to keep some continuity, see it? I went online and I'm using the same program to generate my QR code. Alright, so now that I copied my code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the QR code on this redlaser.com site. So I'm going to go ahead and click learn more here, alright? And up at the top here, it says QR codes. Can you see that? Here we go, right there. QR codes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that. And what I want to do is it says, now we're going over to create or generate your own code. Alright, so I want to generate a URL, alright? And there are other things that you can do as well. You can generate a text, you can generate a phone number, all kinds of stuff. I don't want to do all of that. I don't even know what half that crap will do, honestly. I'm just going to keep it simple, and I want to do a web address or a URL, alright? So I'm going to leave it to that. And that's what automatically pops up. Then I'm going to click into the box below, and I'm going to paste my URL for my YouTube video. Then I'm going to generate the code, and here we go. It generates this. What it does is it generates a code that turns into this little pixelated box. That's what I think it looks like. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to right click, or you're going to do whatever you need to do to save this to your computer. So I have saved it to my computer, and I am now going to, this is my code that I generated for that specific video. Let me move this camera a little over. Alright, there's the code. Now I'm going to go up to the top under file. Let me see. Right here on my Safari screen, there's the file box. I'm going to use the click down menu, and what I want to do is I want to print it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna print it, and it's gonna give me a printing pop-up screen. And let me move this back. I gotta come up with another system to video. Okay, so then it has all of these things here. What I want to do is I want to focus on the scale of which I want to print. All right, so what I want to do is I want to print scale, and I'm gonna change it down to let's see, let's go, just for shits and giggles, let's go 25%. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and print. So here we go. It's gonna send it to my computer, and it's gonna print, and I guess it would print if I had paper in my stinking computer. So it's printing. And here we are. And I'm going to fold this paper in half so that you all can see that it in fact printed it smaller. Okay. So this is the actual 25% printing. Now, what I used in my tutorial was actually a printout. I printed it at 18%. And because I needed it smaller. So here is what it looks like at 18%. And you can see I have the 25% in the back and then the 18 on the other side. So you can actually, if I overlaid them and put them up against a light source, you can actually see, you know, it is quite a difference. And like I mentioned on the video, the only reason why I did it at 18% is because initially when I did it at 25, it was too much for my flare, and my QR reader, my red laser QR reader on my iPhone was not reading it because it started to curve around the button, and it really needs to stay flat in order for the reader to read it. All right. So pretty much that's it as far as generating your own QR codes, and I have already generated quite a few of them for different videos that I've attached to different areas on my on my Project Life pages. Now I'm going to be back and I'm going to show you guys a few other tips that I have as far as generating QR codes and really cute ways to incorporate them into your Project Life other than my really nifty flare idea. All right, so this is how you do that, and I hope this was useful to someone. I appreciate you all watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, click like, comment below if you need to. I will get back to you. I promise I will. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will be back, guys, with another video on some cute other ways to utilize QR codes. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.